My music magazine is a niche genre of music, so I would have an independent local institution to distribute my magazine, and it would rely on volunteers. But I think that I would have my magazine distributed and produced by a conglomerate like Future Publishing, so that it would allow me to target a larger audience. I also believe that there is a gap in the market for a country music magazine, so by using a conglomerate like Future Publishing, it would allow me and more people to access country music. If I used an independent subsidiary, then there would be both advantages and disadvantages. My niche music magazine would have many disadvantages because it wouldn't be run by a conglomerate like mainstream music magazines. This would mean that there would be no cross-media ownership to distribute my product with, which would mean no synergy. Also, my magazine wouldn't have no money for resources to distribute my magazine on more platforms, so there would be no horizontal integration or vertical integration. This would also connote that there would be no technological convergence with my product because there would be no money to produce it with. But the internet is a huge advantage to my independent music magazine because it is a free platform to distribute my product on. This also means that my target audience will grow larger because the internet is becoming more and more popular, which connotes convergence culture. Henry Jenkins, 2008. Also, because my magazine is niche, it would be sold at local stores such as Walmart to target a smaller audience. The local stores that I would sell my magazine in would be specialist music stores like H&V, so that my specific audience would be able to buy it in shops that they shop in. I would also sell it in magazine stores like WH Smith. But if I used a conglomerate like Future Publishing, then they would have cross-media ownership to cross-promote my magazine on. This would mean a high circulation and readership. It would also mean that they could use horizontal integration to distribute westernized on many platforms to establish the brand even more. Also, vertical integration would be an advantage because it would mean that my conglomerate Future Publishing would have full control of the magazine and they would decide how and when it would be distributed. This could also be classed as a disadvantage because Future Publishing would be controlling the content that is included inside the magazine, so not all content that would be included normally if it was run by an independent company would have it inside it. The price of my magazine is $2 and it would be sold once monthly and it would be sold on normal recycled paper. It would be sold once a month because it is a niche music magazine, then it allows there to be more content inside it and for it to be better quality. There is also a subscription inside my magazine which directs you to the website, which is a form of synergy because it is cross-promoting other forms of the brand westernized.